Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. We are learning about the Vue 3 complete course tutorial. In the previous video, we have seen how to do the how to take that variable and it show in the HTML element we have seen. Now we have seen that one how we can represent this one in the HTML element we have seen, right? Now what we'll try to do is, for example, here I have a div element and here I am keeping href. Okay, click here to learn Vue. So I have written some text. Click here to learn Vue. So what I will be trying to do is https go to the vuejs.org. So this is the link what I have created. Now let's try what will happen. Let's try in the output. So if you see here, if I try to refresh this one, now here I am able to see the link, and if I click here, I am able to go to the Vue.js website. Fine, this is fine. Now assume that what I want to do is, so here I will try to remove this one, and what I will try to do is, here I will copy here and I will create a variable link and I will paste the link here. Now I want to use this variable in the HTML. How can I use? Now one method how we can use is simply what I can do here, I can write, you can say like this, we can write like this, you can say, for example, here I have written ahref link, click here to learn Vue, like this I have written. Now let's see the output. What will happen if we see the output? If we see the output here, if I try to refresh this one, okay, now if I try to click here, it is telling that your file could not be accessed. So what is happening here? If you go and if you right click here and if you see the inspect element, if you see here, you will be able to see that instead of coming the value, the link value, simply the what we have written there, it simply pasted here. So what is happening here? So using this interpolation thing is not working. So then here it is working. For example, here in this title it is working, but here in when we are trying to append the same thing to the attributes. So remember this one, when you are trying to do this for the attributes, it is not working. So how we can append the data, append the values to the attributes? How we can append? So how we can append is, so we need to use directive v-bind. We need to use the v-bind colon directive. This is the directive, built-in directive in the Vue.js. So we are telling that the prefix is the v-, as it is a Vue.js language, so that is the reason they have appended v-. So all the built-in directives in the Vue.js start with v- only. Bind, we are saying that bind the href whatever the variable you have given. So when you are using this v-bind, then there is no need to give the flower brackets, interpolation thing, there is no need to represent. Directly you can use the variable name. So link directly you can use here. What we have did here, v-bind of href is equal to link. So we have pasted we are telling that please bind the href with the variable link. So whatever the value is there in the link, please paste it here. So now when we try to check the output, if I see the click inspect element here, now you will be able to see that the https vuejs.org has been pasted here. So the value of that link has been taken. Now if I click here, now I will be able to go to the vuejs.org. So this is how we will be binding the variables for the, what I can say, for the attributes. So this is not only for the href attributes. So you can apply it for the source attribute, image source attribute. You can apply it for the classes. You can apply it for anything. So for any attributes, HTML attributes, if you want to append this data variable, so this is the data variable in the Vue.js. So Vue instance will be giving you this data instance. So the variables, whatever the data you want to append, you can use like this v-bind colon href. Okay. So this is how we will be binding the attributes to the variables in the Vue.js. So I will be posting this one in the GitHub. So the entire course program code and everything, so you will be able to see in the GitHub. So I will be posting each code with the branch name, with the videos branch name. I will be committing the code. So if you want have any doubts or anything, so you can go and you can clone the repository. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.